Good morning students, welcome back to GK class. I hope all are good. Dear students, today let us go through these quiz questions. Okay, trivia quiz questions, chapter 8 trivia quiz. Now students, do you know the answers to these questions? If you know, then you can write the answer. Try karna, okay, or else use the help box. Okay students, you know help box is here, then you can choose the answer from here. Okay students, now let us learn first question. Great whites and hammerheads are what type of animals? Great whites, white color है, hammerhead, hammer means hathoda, hammerhead, looking like hammerhead. Okay students, then students, these great whites are found in the coastal surface water of all the major oceans. जो major oceans है उसका coastal area में दिखता है इसको, surface area में. Okay students, then it is the largest predatory fish on earth. Largest predatory fish means hunting other animals, other fish and other seawater animals. Okay students, then what about hammerhead? This hammerhead sharks are so named for the unusual shape, iska unusual shape and structure of their head. Unusual shape and structure of their head. Okay, hammer shape head है इसका, unusual shape है, very interesting shape, हथौड़ा का ऐसे उसका head दिखता है. Okay students, then what is the answer? Sharks. Then next students, according to legend, who led a gang of merry outlaws in Sherwood Forest in Nottingham, England? England का जो Nottingham है, okay, उस Sherwood Forest area में एक Nottingham जगह में एक forest area है, Sherwood. Okay students, then who led? Who was the leader? Okay, who was the leader? Robin Hood. Okay, actually students, Robin Hood and his merry outlaws means his friends, his men friends. Okay, they were noble thieves. They are noble thieves. Actually, it is an animated cartoon. You know this students. आप देखता है ये सब. Okay, so they are noble thieves of this legendary. ये जो legend है, story है. Okay students, जो old story है. Okay, they are noble thieves. Noble thieves means they are stealing from the rich, okay, to give to the poor. जो अमीर लोग है उसका चोरी करता है, then जो गरीब लोग है उसको देता है. Okay students, very interesting story. And then what is the next question? What is the name of the pirate in Peter Pan? Okay, what is the name of the pirate? What is the meaning of pirate? Pirate means sea robbers. Okay, समुद्री डाकू जो शिप में जाकर चोरी करता है. Peter Pan means students, it is an young boy character. Okay students, this story का young boy character है. Okay, this story created in the island of Neverland. Okay students, एक cartoon animated है ये सब. He is the leader of the Lost Boys. जो Lost Boys उसका leader है. Then let us see what is the name of the pirate. ये जो टाकू का नाम क्या है? Captain Hook. Okay, what is the answer? Captain Hook. You can write the answer. Then next one, he is smarter than the average bear. But what's the name of the most famous resident of Jellystone Park? Okay students, what is the answer? You know, Yogi Bear. Okay, Yogi Bear, you know about Yogi Bear students. This Yogi Bear was also a cartoon character. Okay, in Jellystone Park का एक cartoon character है. Okay, always this bear says, ये bear हमेशा क्या बोलता है? I am smarter than the average bear. में average bear से smarter है. Okay students, confidence है उसको. Then this bear and his companion, okay, what is their hobby? This bear and his companion try to steal picnic basket from the people in the park. पार्क में जो people आते हैं उन लोगों को बास्केट चोरी करके ले जाता है. Okay students, okay. Then next question, Scooby-Doo and his friends travel around in which vehicle? Okay, Scooby-Doo, you know about Scooby-Doo? It is also an American animated cartoon character. Okay students, and his friends travel around in which vehicle? What is the name of the vehicle? Mystery Machine. Very interesting name. Hana students? Okay, Mystery Machine. It is looking like a mini bus. Okay, then by what title were the leaders of ancient Egypt known? Okay students, ancient Egypt known. Students, actually what the answer is? Pharaoh. Okay students, answer is Pharaoh. students, as ancient Egyptian rulers are pharaohs. Okay, students, these pharaohs were both the head of state and the religious leaders of their people. Religious leader है या स्टेट का हेड है, किंग है, ये सबको टाइटल नाम है, टाइटल नेम है फाराओ. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, फाराओ एक टाइटल नेम है. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स? देन व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन? व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ टाउन वेयर द फ्लिंटस्टोन्स लिव? फ्लिंटस्टोन्स लिव. You know about Flintstone? Flintstones is an American animated comedy character in television series. टेलीविजन में एक कार्टून आता है, सो ये कॉमेडी कैरेक्टर है फ्लिंटस्टोन. ओके, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द टाउन वेयर ये जहाँ रहता है उसका टाउन का क्या नाम है? व्हाट इज क्वेश्चन 7? बेडरॉक. व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द टाउन? बेडरॉक. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, देन in Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, what is Charlie's surname? Charlie's surname is very interesting, Bucket. Okay, Mr. Charlie Bucket. Okay students, so Bucket is the surname of Charlie. Very interesting story, na students? Then what is the next question? What is the name of Shakespeare's wife? What is the name? Princess Fiona. Okay, then what is the next question? Which famous ocean liner sank on her first voyage in 1912? You know about it, na? Titanic tragedy. Okay students, then the luxury ship Titanic, Hannah students, it sank in the early hours of April 15, 1912 in the North Atlantic Ocean. You know about it, na students? Okay, now dear students, you can read this. Okay, you can read this chapter, then write the answer from the help box. Okay, good. Now let us learn next chapter. Dear students, now let us learn freedom struggle. You know about freedom strugglers, na? है students, बहुत परेशान हो गया ब्रिटिश रूलर्स, बहुत परेशान किया इंडिया को. Okay students, now let us learn about that. Chapter 9, freedom struggle. Fill in the blanks. The last viceroy general of colonial India. Dear students, you know our country India was under the British rulers. Okay students, then who was the last viceroy general of colonial India? Lord Mountbatten. Answer is here. Okay, help box is here students. See, Lord Mountbatten. Okay, now you can choose the answer from the help box. Now next question, the lawyer who returned from Africa to head the freedom struggle, who was that students? Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Okay, our Gandhiji. Students, do you know Gandhiji is our father of nation? Okay, Gandhiji is the father of our nation. Okay students, he was a great leader and freedom fighter for our country India. Okay students, then before that वो वापस आने के पहले कहाँ था? He was in Africa because he was a lawyer there. Okay, he was studying there, then he became a lawyer. Okay students, then he returned from Africa to fight against British rulers, okay, for freedom. Okay students, now next one, the freedom fighter who assassinated the governor of Punjab after the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Okay students, the freedom fighter, okay, who assassinated the governor of Punjab. Jallianwala Bagh, you know about this now students? Assassinated means murder. Okay, हत्या किया. Okay students, massacre means सामूहिक हत्या. Okay, बहुत लोगों को इकट्ठा मार दिया. Okay, who was that governor? उद्धम सिंह. जालियनवाला बाग में जो गवर्नर जो हत्या हो गया. Okay students, who was that? उद्धम सिंह. Okay students, he was a freedom fighter. Now you can write that. Okay, next one, the Quit India movement was started on. You know students about Quit India movement? Students, the Quit India movement was a movement started by Mahatma Gandhi on 8th August 1942. Okay, during the World War II. जब World War II किया था तब का. Okay students, what is the answer? 8th August 1942. Students, for what? Asking for an end to British rule in India. इंडिया में ब्रिटिश रूल ख़त्म करने के लिए क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट शुरू किया. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ओके, दे क्विट द British things. Okay, then students, Vallabhbhai Patel was awarded the title of Sardar. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, you know about him, है ना? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Students, he was the first deputy prime minister of India. Okay, popularly known as Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Okay, what is the title name? Sardar. Then next, during what is this? WW second World War. Okay, World War second, the Indian flag was hoisted at where? Moirang. Okay, this is name of place. Indian flag was hoisted at Moirang. Okay, students, Moirang. Then the famous train dacoity. Okay, dacoity means train robbery by Indian revolutionaries. Okay, took place near. Where was this? In Lucknow. Okay, students. Then next one, the salt satyagraha was launched at, you know about na, Dindi satyagraha, salt satyagraha. Students, this Dindi is a village of Gujarat in India. Okay, it is located on the coast of the Arabian Sea. You know about na, salt satyagraha. Okay, Dindi march, है ना students? Dindi satyagraha was an act of non-violence disobedience, civil disobedience against British rule. ब्रिटिश रूल के विरुद्ध नॉन वायलेंस, कोई लड़ाई वड़ाई नहीं किया, नॉन वायलेंस था. ओके स्टूडेंट, डिसोबीडियंस किया, लो जो बोला किया नहीं है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, साल्ट सत्याग्रह, दंदिया सत्याग्रह. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यू कैन रीड दिस chapters. Okay, then write the answers. Okay students, okay, good, bye.